just a quick video. Thought I'd just add this just to pay a little homage to the Henry Hoover. I mean, everybody must know the Henry Hoover. I think in the 90s and noughties, 2000s, they started making different ones. Even the kids can get them now in pink. And there's Henry, and I'm not sure if there's Harold, and then there's the woman one. I can't think of her name. Anyway, so this particular Henry Hoover, my mum bought my dad in the early 80s. In the early 80s, and yeah, he's a bit bruised and battered, but I mean the early 80s. And when my parents died, I took the Hoover on, and let me show you how he works. So this is all my crafting material, etc. I mean, it works a dream. An absolute dream still. Who can say that they've still got an Hoover from the early 80s? From, maybe there is, I mean maybe Hoover, the make Hoover, but you know, some people may have some, but obviously someone has. I'll get there in a minute. But what I'm trying to say is the suction on this guy, like, so he's nearly like 35, 40 years old. Look. Look. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Just thought I'd pay homage to Henry. What an Hoover, eh? Smooth slow down. Now, look, bit of paint on it. What an Hoover. Nearly 40 years old. How Henry. How Henry.